Hello and thanks for joining me. I'm Matthew Rondina with Best Buy Canada's Best Buy blog, and today I am first unboxing, testing out, and reviewing the PlayStation VR2 headset. If you are looking for the next level of immersion with your gaming, the PlayStation VR2 offers many incredible experiences. The newly launched PSVR2 is full of promise, packing cutting-edge technology and a launch lineup full of diverse games across multiple genres. By combining powerful hardware and intuitive design, the headset offers a deep, immersive experience that kept me engaged for hours. Whether you are a new or returning enthusiast of PlayStation's virtual reality offerings, the PSVR2 is a very exciting leap forward for the platform. Let's delve into the new hardware with my comprehensive review of the PlayStation VR2. Depending on which retail version of the PSVR2 you opt for, the base model, or the PlayStation VR2 Horizon Call of the Mountain VR bundle, the contents and price will vary slightly. The base model comes with all the hardware components needed to play, but no games. The Call of the Mountain bundle, on the other hand, includes the PSVR2 hardware along with a copy of the aforementioned game. I personally would go with the PSVR2 Horizon Call of the Mountain bundle. It saves you a little money and you get an incredible game bundled in the package. Let's begin by unboxing and configuring the PSVR2 base model. Sony clearly listened to player feedback about the original PSVR, using it to make big, meaningful improvements. This becomes clear from the outset as the unboxing and initial setup with the PSVR2 is a breeze. Gone are the bundles of wires and extra accessories, replaced with a single cord. The PSVR2 only relies on a single USB-C connection to the front of your PlayStation 5, and you're ready to start playing. In terms of the base PlayStation VR2 retail package, you receive everything you need to get up and running, except of course for the PlayStation 5 console and VR games. They are sold separately. In the box, you'll find a headset, 2 Sense controllers, a USB cable for charging your Sense controllers, earbuds, and 3 sets of rubberized earpiece tips for different size ears, and an instruction manual. Once you plug into the PS5 and turn it on, there's only a few minor configuration settings remaining. Sony makes it incredibly simple to get started with the setup process, taking only about 10 minutes of your time, offering on-screen prompts that walk you through the process. It really is a very, very convenient experience, especially over the original PSVR1. The PSVR2 hardware is superior to its predecessor in every way. The crystal clear 4K HDR OLED display, 110-degree field of view, and lifelike graphic rendering provide an immersive experience every time you don the headset. With a stunning resolution of 2000 by 2040 pixels per eye, the PSVR2 surpasses the resolution of the Oculus Quest 2, offering a high-end VR experience. Upon first seeing the specs for the PSVR2, the hardware boasted incredible potential. Now that I've had a chance to experience it for myself, it's the generational leap forward I was hoping for. The advanced camera tracking really sets the PSVR2 apart. The device has 4 outward-facing cameras and 2 inward-facing, which provide incredibly precise location and eye-tracking capabilities. Not only do these cameras accurately track the Sense controllers, they even pick up your finger movements. This level of tracking allows for more immersive gameplay and a better overall experience. The PSVR2 tracks your movements precisely, no matter how small or large. Single-digit tracking hasn't been perfected yet, but the accuracy is excellent in-game. The abundance of cameras also allows for pass-through mode. This allows you to use your external cameras to look around your play space in the real world without needing to remove the headset. I really like this improvement over the PSVR1, as I often found myself needing to take off the headset in order to see what was happening in the play space around me. My first impressions using the PSVR2 are all positive, and I was amazed with what the hardware could do. The added sensors make it easy to move around the virtual world, while the headset's design comfortably accommodates a range of different facial shapes and head sizes. When playing Horizon Call of the Mountain on PSVR2, I couldn't help but notice how fluidly everything moved and responded when navigating through the lush landscape filled with fantastic creatures. The action felt incredibly immersive, with my interactions accurately tracked in real time by the system's camera array. With each new combat encounter or challenge presented in-game, I found myself drawn deeper and deeper into the experience. The first time you see a tall neck in Horizon Call of the Mountain, or zip around the track in Gran Turismo 7, or sneak around in Resident Evil Village, you'll be met with incredible visuals and a far more immersive experience. The incredible scale and vivid visuals in the PSVR2 offer a level of immersion that simply cannot be rivaled by lesser hardware or its predecessor. To complement all this, the OLED display looks fantastic with no lag and a super sharp image. The field of view has been expanded to 110 degrees. This makes a big difference in the scope of your surroundings in comparison to the original PSVR. In the game, I often found myself taking in the scenery as the world around me felt incredibly realistic. The PSVR screen features a refresh rate of 90 to 120 Hz, which keeps everything very smooth and responsive. To further increase luminosity and reduce ghosting, Sony also incorporated the Fresnel lenses into their design. Overall, this keeps images brighter and far more vivid over the PSVR1. Outside of the visuals, the hardware has been improved with haptic feedback technology both in the headset and controllers. You can now feel the vibrations from your movement, weapons, and in-game actions, making the experience more immersive and realistic. The new Sense controllers are a massive step forward for the PlayStation VR experience. They feature an improved tracking system that can pick up far more movements from your hands, and a few from your fingers. You'll feel like you're manipulating objects in-game as if they were real. The haptic feedback technology makes it so much more realistic when you're interacting with objects or environments in-game. The headset ring that rests on your head also vibrates, so you feel a lot more of the experience. In combination with the Sense controllers, you are treated to a more realistic gaming experience, which was previously not possible with the original PSVR headset. With its snug, comfortable fit, the PlayStation VR2 headset is built for longer gaming sessions. The headset features many design refinements. For one, the majority of the headband's weight now lies on the top of the user's head, instead of in the front. The module that houses the screen and lens now features cooling vents and a fan to prevent fogging. The click wheel at the rear of the headset ensures a snug fit for all head sizes, along with an adjustable visor. In addition to all of this, the PSVR2 has been significantly lightened to maximize player comfort. In comparison to the original, the new hardware is 40 grams lighter. It might sound small, but it makes a big difference in long stretches of use. Ultimately, this headset has a much better feel than its predecessor. It's more comfortable and ergonomic. The PSVR2 is an excellent piece of hardware. It improves on the original model in nearly every way, offering an immersive experience that is comparable to other high-end virtual reality offerings. The improved tracking systems and haptic feedback technology make it much easier to interact with objects in-game. The OLED display and expanded field of view offer a more realistic visual experience. With its lightweight design and comfortable fit, the PSVR2 offers gamers hours of enjoyable gaming without fatigue or discomfort. I highly recommend this headset for anyone looking to take their gaming to the next level. I'm Matthew Rondina for Best Buy Canada's Best Buy blog. Thank you so much for joining me. Game on!